Hello, everybody. Good afternoon and welcome on board. Today is my official off day, and I thought of making myself useful. So I thought, let me do something productive so that I can actually not spend the day just by lazing around and being all sad and depressed. Because आज मैं घर पे बिल्कुल अकेली हूँ. My mom has gone to work, and my cat is here with me. So guys, wherever I used to come from flight, Angel used to always stand there near the door and she used to wait for me. जब भी मैं उसके साथ खेलती थी ना, so she used to scratch me very cruelly. So I used to be like, I used to tell my mom, let me just cut her nails, like let's just get done with it. But वो इतना चिल्लाती थी and she used to get so uncomfortable. And I actually have very brutal, nails of hers on my hands. So my hands have all gone all ugly because of her. So I thought, let me take her to the vet. Let me take her to the grooming place today and let me cut her nails. वहाँ पे वो एकदम चुपचाप भीगी बिल्ली जैसी रहती है. So she doesn't have any issues at all. Now she was right here in front of me, and the moment I told her grooming, so she's trying to hide herself. She's hiding behind the curtains, thinking कि I will not be able to catch you. Hi, Baba. Always does that. She hides behind the curtains thinking कि हम उसको नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे. She's seen a basket right there because I take her in the basket. I never catch her on my arms. I never catch her in my arms and take her out because she gets very anxious when she sees people around. So that's one thing that I'm going to do today. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do my nails. So as you can see, my index finger, the nail has been chopped. This happened in flight and it was paining me terribly. So abhi thoda heal ho gaya hai. So I thought I'll do my nails as well. I'm going to do gel polish. I'm going to show you all how I do it and where I do it here. Third thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get some beauty products because I'm short of some. And yeah, that's it. I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to show you all how a cabin crew life is on an off day. So stay tuned.
This is the best pet grooming salon that I have found in my area. And trust me when I say this, they take care of your pets with utmost care. And they also allow you to be with your pet while they groom them.
So I am back from the grooming place, and Angel was a little hyperactive, but now she's fine. She's a little calm because she knows that she's come back home. तो पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि after out and out from the grooming place I will go and I'll do my nails, but I was a little worried about her कि वो शांत बैठेगी कि नहीं बैठेगी. So I got her home and now she's a little calm. So now again I'm going to step out and I am going to do my nails finally. So let's go.
I have been visiting this place for the past 3 years now. After reaching there, I decided to do the French gel polish as it's quite neat and it also gives a good finish. Last but not the least, I decided to visit my favorite to-go spot and treat myself an amazing avocado sandwich. If you are new to Mira Road, I do recommend you all to visit this place. It also serves amazing desserts. Now please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.